Okay, so hello and welcome back to the WatchGecko YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at something quite special, just added to the Geckota range. So we're looking at the Geckota T-01 Tourbillon, and we're going to be doing an unboxing of kind of the packaging that you might expect if you were to buy the watch. Okay, so here it is, the Geckota T-01 Tourbillon. As you can clearly see, at 6 o'clock we've got the 60 seconds tourbillon already beating away. So this caliber 33 tourbillon movement beats at 2800 vibrations per hour to give a really nice kind of smooth tick to the tourbillon carriage. The kind of standout features of this watch would be the stamped guilloche wave dial with the applied plaques all around. So you can see that the seconds, the logo, the hour and the minutes, and then some of these little text blocks down here are all applied on in this silver tone kind of circular grained applied plaque. With the gold tone Breguet style hands to really kind of tie in the tourbillon with the gold tone of the balance. So this watch is 40mm in diameter and just short of 49mm lug to lug, and around 14mm in case thickness. So it is quite a substantial watch in thickness due to the tourbillon movement. But I think this really plays into the design quite nicely. So as you see on the back of the movement, we've got a sapphire display with underside AR coating. So it provides a real clear look into the workings of the movement. So you've got the Côte de Genève stripes going all down. It's a machine, but to a really high quality, and you can really see that they shine and take on the light in various aspects. And then we've got on these inward angles, there's some kind of machine beveling to bring a bit of depth and the kind of luxury finishing feel out. And then you've got the sunburst brushing on these wheels. So for the crown, we've opted for this kind of black enamel piece in the middle, which really ties into the dial and the strap. So this strap is actually a handmade, genuine ostrich leg strap to give that nice premium exotic leather feel. So this Geckota tourbillon, which was strictly limited to 10 pieces, is hopefully the first in a long line of tourbillons from us. So the caliber 33 tourbillon movement is a very robust and well-tested Chinese tourbillon movement, and using the Chinese movement has really allowed us to kind of bring a really high quality tourbillon out at a price point which has never really been seen before. With this piece, we really wanted to offer that kind of premium luxury dress watch feel, and I think it's been executed very well. Okay, so thank you for watching our video on the new T-01 Tourbillon. We really hope you like the watch, so if you let us know in the comments what you thought, that'd be great, and we'll leave a link in the description if you'd like to find out more. We'll see you in the next video.